Welcome. You are watching Line Screw 1. Okay, here we are in IKEA in Sweden. It's like the mothership or something. Oh, we can have a picture with our face and the shark for the kids. But it's oh so Swedish, just like at home. But I figured since I'm here in Stockholm, I have to see an IKEA in Sweden. Now obviously this location in central Stockholm is not the original store, but you can get an idea how it looks. It's very quaint. Very quaint. So practical. Oh, I like that. I like that. Unfortunately, bringing this back home to Canada would be next to impossible, but let's check out. Oh, that's a lovely Swedish kitchen. So practical, so clean, simple yet elegant. Let's do the pink broom closet here. Yes, kind of reminds me of my hotel room, except not pink. Oh, lovely. I love this. Hey, man, if I was a kid, I would absolutely love to have something like this. I guess it's like a bunk bed with the desk underneath. Absolutely charming. If I was a younger kid, I would have loved to have that. Quaint little bedroom. Nice, efficient looking micro living room. The living area with dining room. And it's also quaint. I should get some of these for my rear bedroom of my motorhome. Probably the white ones. You can get those at home, obviously. There's no way I'm buying them here and schlepping them back to North America eventually. But anyway, you guys get the idea. So, figured I would share this with you. Let's check out the pop-up IKEA museum here in Stockholm. Look at this. A Volvo 240 GLT loaded with IKEA crap. That is very Swedish. Now this pop-up museum looks like essentially a retail outlet, but let's check this Volvo out. This is interesting. Oh, so Swedish. Now what are these little watering vases? Are they running a contest? Guess how many of these plastic items can fit in a Volvo? It's loaded with hundreds, perhaps thousands of these things. Wow. Very weird and interesting at the same time. Okay, let's see what else is in the pop-up museum. Okay, whatever that means. Oh, we got some English here. Happiness is not reaching your goal. Happiness is being on the way. Well, that's probably true. Probably true. Oh, we got more over here in English. Most things still remain to be done. A glorious future. That's absolutely true. Okay. Interesting. Well, really not a lot here in terms of, it's mostly just an excuse to sell more stuff. Placemats, anyone? IKEA trays. Well, unfortunately, that's it. Okay, let's get out of here.
Can go to figure out what we've done, what we need to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you.